Hello everyone, and welcome to our quick tutorial about how to use our Schoology class. I've set up a practice account so that you can see what a regular class will look like if you're in one of my classes. At the top, it will say the name of your class. The first folder when you look down is our red class folder. This has a lot of key information, including links to live lesson recordings. That's where you go if you've missed a class or if you want to go back and review the information that was delivered in the lesson. There's also information about my office hours. You can click on this link to find out when my office hours are and how to get to them. So there's a live link here to get to office hours, and this is the description of when the office hours occur. You can always contact me and meet me at another time as well. Here is another way to get to my office hours and to get to the live lesson. Click on this link here and you'll go right to our Zoom classroom. This yellow folder has a lot of valuable information about how to use Schoology and other features of our class. A lot of good tutorial videos here. Most importantly is the Schoology student guide. This has a lot of information on how to submit assignments, what to do if you are having trouble with things loading, all sorts of great information like that. Go to the student guide. Perhaps our most important folder for our class is our blue weekly folder. These folders are updated every week and they outline what students need to do each day of the class. This example is from a student who has a Monday-Wednesday class with me, and on Tuesdays and Thursdays and Fridays, they're working on their own. Every day, students will have to do 1 hour of work for their classes with me, and that's true for all of the Choice Plus Academy classes. This outlines exactly what they should be doing every day of the week. All of the information they need to complete those activities are inside the folder. So if you click on the folder, this has all of the other information that you need. And the description of what to do each day is on the outside of the folder. These folders are updated every week, and on Monday you'll see a new folder. If you ever need to go back and look at an old folder, down here in this gray file, you can click and you can see all of our old folders are down there. Up on the right is a very handy calendar feature that shows all of the upcoming assignments the student has, and on the left are the different tabs they can check. So I suggest always going to the materials page first. That has all the information about what you need to do. They can also click on their grades button and they can see how they're doing in their class. So this student is off to a bit of a challenging start, but that's okay. They can still go back and redo any assignments that they didn't do well on. They can come to my office hours so that they can increase their grade. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me anytime. You can call me on the phone, you can shoot me an email, you can come to my office hours, and you can also message me through Schoology by clicking on this envelope at the top of the screen. Have a great day.